Hi everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you're here for the first time. Before I give you today's writing prompt, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed. I've gone from having, I think, 5 subscribers before I started doing this to having something like 32. So I know that to anyone who is more in the YouTube world, that would seem maybe not like so many, but to me it feels pretty amazing and pretty exciting. And yeah, I encourage you to subscribe just because it makes me really happy. So if you want to do that, just hit subscribe. Thanks also to people who have got in touch and told me that they're actually doing these exercises. It's such a weird time with kind of not being face to face with people, but to feel that some kind of connecting is happening really means a lot to me. So thank you. Okay, enough waffle. Let's find out what today's prompt is. Do some shuffling. Okay. Other paths or other paths. I am a person of a mixed accent who never quite knows which vowel is going to come out. Let's go with other paths. So, this prompt is about taking a character, whether you're going to go on a kind of imaginative non-fiction route and use yourself or someone known to you, or a completely invented character, and creating a fork in the road of their life. So what I want you to do is imagine a person and their circumstances now, and then peel back to an earlier moment in their story where things might have gone in a completely different direction. There are many ways that you could choose to write this, so I don't want to be too prescriptive, but one approach is that you write a quick portrait of somebody as they are today, and then you dip back and write a kind of alternative portrait of them if they had gone down a different route. Another way is that you isolate that moment when a choice could be made and lay out those 2 different futures for that person. I recommend 7 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes or 20 minutes, but of course more is great. If you've only got 2 minutes, still do it. The most important thing with these exercises is that you are working out your imaginative muscles. The stakes can be very high to creativity, and when things feel unfamiliar, our brain can think, oh, danger. So if every couple of days you just sit down and write imaginatively, your brain is less likely to do that when it comes to writing. I will see you all next time. Thank you very much for watching.